Hello and welcome to your practice. This is Jen to the Zen Yoga. I'm Jen and today I'm sharing with you a very short, gentle sunset flow. Recently, while I was staying at a cabin in the mountains, the striking, peaceful sunset called me to practice and to share it with you. This practice is gentle and grounding with an invitation to allow a sense of calm and peacefulness in, or cultivate the mood you wish to carry with you into the rest of your day. So let's go find those sunset vibes. Begin in a comfortable seated position. Hands come together right in front of the heart space. We try to immediately check in with ourselves, ground down through the sit bones, sit up tall, and take a soft gaze right out in front of you, or go ahead if it feels comfortable and shut down the eyes. Bring in a thought of gratitude for this day thus far and notice the breath. Feel it flowing in and out of the lungs. Notice any sensations in the body. Let go of the day, knowing you've done your best. Making space for this invitation to bring some calm and peacefulness to your evening. Go ahead and flutter the eyes back open, bring the hands back down to the knees, and we will begin some movement. Take the hands out to the sides and we'll do some angel arms, sweeping the arms up and overhead. Exhale, float them down. Inhale, bring the arms up overhead. Exhale, float them back down. Bring the right hand up and overhead, staying rooted in the right hip, side bend to the left. Inhale, come back through center. Left arm up and over, side bend to the right, staying rooted in the left hip. And move back and forth, bending from left to right. Noticing your own sensations and just lingering in any tight spots. Breathing through it. The next time you're over, bending towards the left, swing the arm forward and around to the right. Left arm comes up for a side stretch. Flow forward and to the left. Raise the right arm up for a stretch. And again, just flow organically with your own breath from left to right. Just feeling your own energy and cultivate the mood you want for your evening. Bring yourself back up through center, hands to the side. Placing the left hand on the right knee, twist towards your right. For a seated stretch, look over the right shoulder. Inhale, lift up through the crown of the head. Dip the chin down for a gentle neck stretch. Gently look up, then down, pausing where you need to. Inhale, come through center, right hand on left knee, twist towards the left. Look over the shoulder. Deep breath in. Exhale. Dip the chin down. Then up. Noticing any sensations and sending the breath where needed. Inhale. Untwist. Come back through center. And uncross the leg. Put the one that was in front behind. The one that was in behind in front. And slowly start to walk the hands forward for a forward bend over the crossed legs. Deep inhales. Cleansing exhales. And slowly start to walk yourself back up to seated. For seated cat-cows, inhale, arch the back, gaze goes up. Exhale, round, gaze goes down. Inhale, arch the back, look up. Exhale, round the back, gaze goes down. And just move in some organic motions here, whatever's feeling good in your body, forward and back. When you're ready, go ahead and bring yourself over into tabletop position. Knees come underneath the hips, wrists under the shoulders. Bring your big toes into touch, knees wide as the mat. Sink the hips back, stretch the hands forward. Wide child's pose. Head rests heavy on the mat. Chest melts down towards the mat. Notice the earth beneath you. Feel connection, grounding. Feel held and supported. Take a very deep, full inhale. And on the exhale, open up the mouth and let it sigh out, letting go of that does not serve you in this moment. On the next inhale, come up out of child's pose, keeping the knees wide. Root down through the left hand, lift the right hand up, and then stitch it through underneath, coming down to the right shoulder and the right temple, threading the needle. Left hand pushes into the mat, supporting you in this twist. Continue to breathe. Look off into the horizon, into your own sunset, even if you have to visualize it. Root down through the left hand, sweep the right arm out and open and back to the mat. Left arm goes up towards the sky, stitch it under. Left arm comes to the mat, left temple. Push away with the right hand, feel a nice twist. Deep inhales, and smooth cleansing exhales. If thoughts wander, focus on the sound of your own breath. Push down into the right hand, sweep the left arm out and open. Exhale, bring it back down to the mat. Bring the knees back under the hips, walk the hands forward just a bit. Roll over the toes, send the hips up and back. Downward facing dog, head and chest come through the gates of the arms, and you begin to pedal the feet out. Bending one knee, then the other. Take any other movements that feel good in this position. Maybe bend the knees and twist to the left, and bend the knees, twist to the right. Eventually bringing the heels down to the mat. Lift the right leg straight up and back, three-legged dog. Exhale, bring the right leg up in between the arms, placed right inside the right hand. Left knee comes down, gaze goes forward for a lunge. Everything draws towards center. From the core, lift the arms up and overhead. Exhale, float the arms back, hinge over the right leg. Gaze is at the toes. Inhale, sweep the arms back up. Exhale, back down into airplane arms. Inhale, sweep the arms up again. Exhale, float them back. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. And on an inhale, place the hands back to the mat. Raise the left knee up and bring the right leg back. You can spend a breath in plank pose or lift the hips up and back straight into downward facing dog. Inhale, the left leg goes up and back. Exhale, bring it forward, right inside the left hand. Look forward, drop the right knee down. From the core, sweep the arms up and overhead. Exhale, hinge at the hips and float the arms back into airplane arms. Gaze goes towards the toes. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, airplane arms. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, airplane arms. One more time. Sweep up. Exhale, airplane arms. Place the hands now back down to the mat. Frame the front foot. Bring the left leg back, straight into plank. Drop the knees down. Lift the feet up and slowly, with control, lower down to the mat. Flat on the belly. Hands are placed right outside the shoulders. Inhale, lift up, baby cobra. Exhale, lower. Inhale again, lifting up into baby cobra. This time look towards your left. Inhale through center, come back down. Inhale, baby cobra. This time look towards your right. Exhale, come through center, release back down. Roll over the toes. Slowly push yourself up and back. Downward facing dog. Then taking a slow, mindful walk to the top of the mat. Hang in a deep forward fold, generous bend in the knee. Relax all the muscles of the neck and allow gravity to pull down. Inhale, walk the hands to the right. Back through center. Walk the hands to the left. Back through center. Root down. Slowly start to roll up to a standing position. Roll the shoulders back and down. Then come to the middle of the mat. Feet hip distance apart. Raise the hands up above the head, reaching towards the sky. Exhale, float them behind the back, clasp the hands, open the chest, slide the hands down the back. Exhale, bend forward into a forward fold with the clasped hands. Pull the hands away from the back for a nice shoulder stretch. Exhale, release the hands to the mat. Roll up to a standing position. Inhale, sweep the arms out and open. Exhale, swan dive, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthening out through the spine towards a flat back. Exhale, deep forward fold. Root down, sweep the arms out and open. Overhead, exhale, swan dive again, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward fold. Root down, sweep the arms, gather up all the good energy you're creating. Hands reach up to the sky, bring the palms together and slide them right down in front of the heart space. Check in, see how you're feeling. Thank you so much for joining me for this sunset practice today. From my heart to yours, I bow to you. Thank you.